Are you building a physical product? Do you need help with some part of that physical product development? Well, here is a list of all of the engineers who showed up to the Odd Engineer Meetup and spoke about their specialty and that they have room in their schedule right now to take on more clients.
Yeah, my name is Sandeep Kamath. My company is called Swirling Technologies, and I focus, I'm a hardware and embedded software engineer, and I focus on Bluetooth and Bluetooth Low Energy technology pretty much exclusively. I can do consultations for pretty much anything related to Bluetooth, whether you're trying to architect a system or design firmware, and I'm based in San Diego, California.
Hi, my name is Will. I work for an engineering services company called Voxdale. We have bases in both Berlin, where you can see me right now, and also in Belgium. And we do mechanical, electrical, IoT, and embedded stuff kind of as a full service. My background is in mechanical. I worked in a nanoscale medical device company and then built cocktail robots where we shot people in the face with liquor for a fun side hustle. Oh, and we're looking for clients, and I'm happy to help solve any problems with them.
So I'm Jenny Loper. I work for Zebulon Solutions. We are an end-to-end product development firm, electromechanical primarily. My specific specialty is around supply chain and operations management. The thing that we are generally looking for are people who have electromechanical products that they need to design and are focused on getting them into manufacturing.
My name's Erin McDermott. My company is Spire. I'm an optical engineer and I specialize in illumination design, weird LED lit effects, and I'd be interested in talking to clients who have at least a budget of $20K for their project.
You can find all of these experts on oddengineer.com. You can send them a message directly through the platform, or if they have booking software set up on their profile, you can also directly set up a meeting with them. If you're not interested in a full contract right now, some of us also have just small consultations so we can help get you on track if you don't have a big budget. I will be doing another video like this for the other side of the folks on Odd Engineer who are looking for other people to work with, other subcontractors, or looking for people to hire full-time.